Hey guys, how you doing? Mike here, and today I want to show you how 3 simple steps allowed me to go from zero to breaking my first $10,000 in sales on Poshmark. And the best part is, I did this in only 3 months. I started selling on Poshmark about 5 years ago. My sales were pretty slow, and selling anything was a pretty big challenge for me, especially on Poshmark, because the platform was new, I didn't know much about it, and I had just came over from eBay. So I had to teach myself these techniques through trial and error. But once I perfected them, within 3 months, I tripled and quadrupled my sales. It is possible to hit $10,000 in 3 months or less if you follow these 3 simple steps. This is valuable information for any type of Poshmark seller, not just for people who use bots or automation software. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I have a bonus tip for you that can double your offers and sales, guaranteed. A picture is worth 1,000 words, but the way I see it, a really good picture could also be worth $1,000. So take at least 5 to 6 pictures of each listing, and if you can, let the pictures show the items being used. People can get a better sense of how an item would look on them just by seeing them being used in pictures. So you could do this either with a mannequin or like a dress form, or you can wear them yourself by putting your camera on a tripod or a table and hit the time delay shutter. For good, clear pictures, take them outside or next to a nice bright window while the sun is out. I cannot stress how important community shares are, because people love it when you share their listings, and most of the time, people are going to share them back to their followers. This can result in thousands upon thousands of other people's followers seeing your listings. You can go into a Facebook group for Poshmark and start a share posting. You can tell everyone you'll share 5 of their listings if they share 5 of your listings. And tell them also to put their closet in the comments below the post. So that method works really well, and it will get you thousands of eyeballs on your listings. Now, coupled with the community shares, you want to share when the most people are online. This is usually like in the morning when people first get out of bed. They're definitely checking their Poshmark feed. I know most of you do the same thing. You wake up and you roll over and you grab your phone and you just start checking stuff. The afternoon is also great. Around 12 p.m. people are on their lunch break, on their phones, checking their feed. I've also noticed that 2 p.m. is another great time. That's usually when people get a coffee break at work, and they use that time to, again, check their feed. Evening and prime time are a must to share. You can start around 7 or 8 p.m. People are finishing up dinner, laying around, relaxing, buying clothes online. And also, you can do some party shares for the 7 p.m. Pacific party as well. Party shares result in thousands of people seeing your listings. And if you follow those 3 top tips and practice them consistently, and by consistently, I mean every time you are on Poshmark, you do not have to log on any more than you are now. The secret to this is to be productive every time you are on the app. People get caught up in browsing the app, looking at cool clothes, and they get sidetracked. You need to get focused. Once you are focused, it will show through your sales and offers. And I also promised that I had a bonus tip: creating social media accounts. And by social media accounts, I mean Instagram. Instagram is one of the best platforms you can have to promote your Poshmark listings. It is time and time again proven to increase your sales like crazy, because there are so many people on this platform that use Poshmark. You can make posts of your listings. Once you have made posts of your listings, then follow people. Search for the hashtag Poshmark and hashtag ShopMyCloset, one word. You can like all the top posts in those hashtags, and follow all of the people who also like those posts. They will come back and check out your Instagram profile, where you will have a link back to your closet within your Instagram bio. A good tool that'll help you create Instagram Poshmark closet is called Instaposh, which is a product me and my company created. It takes your Poshmark closet and copies it into your Instagram. I will show you an example of that right here. Basically, all you do is put in your Instagram credentials and put how many listings you'd like to upload. Press start. All of your listings will populate right here in this window. And once you've selected every single listing that you want to upload onto Instagram, you click upload on Instagram. And what that's going to do is every 2 minutes, it's going to post a new listing onto your Instagram page. And it pretty much looks a little bit like, and actually it looks exactly like this. This is an example closet that we have created from Instaposh. As you can see, there's beautiful listings, and it's extremely easy to do. It's only a few clicks. You can change anything you want. It comes fully equipped with a description box and that you can put hashtags in. You can put your prices in and multiple tags. So from there, anyone who visits your Instagram page is going to see your entire Poshmark closet if you've posted it. And if they like what they see, they're going to click on the link in your bio, and they'll be taken directly to your Poshmark closet. Also, in your Instagram bio, you should put your Poshmark referral code so that you get credit if anyone decides to take action. I can pretty much guarantee that creating an Instagram account and copying your closet can increase your sales and offers tremendously. Why? Because you're opening up your listings to thousands of more people. It's a whole new platform with fresh eyes. If you guys like these 3 tips, please comment below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the like button. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and I'll see you guys next time.